Welcome to the sixth module in the Maps and Atlas Discovery Workshop titled Searching for Print Aerial Imagery in the Map Library. In this module, you will learn how to use York University Library's online Maps and Atlases guide to search for print aerial photographs at the Map Library, then to search for print photo maps. The York University Map Library contains several series of air photos and photomaps of various parts of Ontario from the 1940s to the 1990s. The first step to find the air photos and print photomaps is to go to the library homepage, select Research Guides, then use the search box to type in Maps and Atlases Guide. The research guide contains information on how to find many map types, including air photos and photomaps. To find both of these, click on the Browse by Map Type tab, then click Air Photos. On the Air Photos page, there are further instructions on how to retrieve air photos. We first want to select the year, for example, the 1971 series. Note that the next steps in our process will be the same for all years displayed on the page. The link leads to the index map of the 1971 air photos, where each red marker represents a single air photo. We can zoom in and select a red marker for our area of interest. Alternately, we can also search for a specific address or location by clicking on the search button in the bottom right corner. We can search for York University, for example, and select the third option from the top to zoom to York University's Keele campus. Our selection brings us to York University and the surrounding area. The red markers now show the center of each air photo. Clicking on one of the markers will bring up details on where to find that exact air photo. For the air photos held at York University libraries, the year, flight line, roll, and photo number are all required in order to find the physical air photo in the collection. So it is a good practice to take note of these numbers or take a picture of it on your cell phone. All of the air photos located in the map library are in the black filing cabinets on the back wall opposite from the entrance of the map library. Each drawer is labeled with the year or years of the air photos it contains. In our example, we want to find the 1971 drawer that also covers our flight line number of 4332. In the drawer, we will find the series covering flight line 4332. Then identify the files for roll 38 in numerical order. Finally, in our case, we want to find photo number 11, which will be in the folder that covers numbers 1 to 32. The photographs within each file are in numerical order, and we can identify photo number 11 by locating the number in the bottom right corner. It may also be of interest to look at the air photos before and after number 11, as they oftentimes overlap in area, and will show the surrounding areas around York University's Keele campus. The map library also has digital copies of the air photos for the years 1946, 1954, and 1971, as the copyright has expired and the images are now in the public domain. To request a digital copy, visit our Gaia Request Services form located at gaia.library.yorku.ca. The Airphotos webpage of the Maps and Atlases Research Guide also gives instructions on how to find photo maps in York University's map library. These instructions are located below the Airphotos section. To locate a specific photo map, select the year desired and click on the link to view the index map. For example, we can select the year 1989. The index map displays all photo maps in the series in a grid, each with a unique identifier that uses both numbers and letters. Individual photo maps can be identified by looking for major streets, green spaces, or highways. If we want to find the York University Keele campus, we can use the street boundaries of Finch, Steeles, Jane, and Keele to identify the appropriate photo map, which in our case is 47Q. To locate this physical photo map in the library, the call number for the series of photo maps is displayed in the bottom right-hand corner of the index. For our York University example, we want to find the photo map with the call number G3524 T61 A4 5 1989. So the number is identifiable from the map cabinet drawer label. But where is 47Q? Note that the final numbers in brackets cover the final call number range needed for map 47Q. All the maps between numbers 39 and 50 are in one file folder in numerical order. In our case, all of the number 47 maps were available, organized in alphabetical order from A to Z. As to be expected, map 47Q shows the street boundaries of Finch, Steeles, Jane, and Keele in 1989.